What up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome to another episode of B-Tech Productions. Today, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to go into how to make a video appear through text. And it's not going to be on iMovie. It's not going to be on Final Cut Pro. It's going to be on Premiere Pro. So, I'll show you an example of what we're talking about. So here, we see it says fire. So something like that. Okay. All right. So first, we want to go ahead and roll that intro. Let's go. All right. Cool. So we have our screen shared, and I'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and start from scratch. Okay. All right. Cool. So the first thing that you want to do is go to a website. I like Pexels, P-E-X-E-L-S, and they have free stock footage and video. Okay, so we'll look at this one. I like that one, so we'll go ahead and download that, and it's already downloaded. Okay, so you know what, and let's actually start from scratch. So we go to new project, and then we can go downloads and click on this video. I'm sorry. Fire flame.
Yoga flame.
Okay. And then we'll create. All right, cool. So we have our video here. Let me see, it's fire. Pretty simple stuff, right? All right, cool. So we'll go to type tool, and then we'll type in fire. Let's get crazy. Let's put an exclamation point in there. You know what I'm saying?
Woo!
That's crazy. All right, cool. So we're gonna do a couple things here. Over in the text area, right over here, we're gonna change the font. We're gonna change the font to, I like marker. Yeah, marker felt. All right. Then we're gonna also make this bigger. So you could go here and make it bigger, or if you go back to the selection tool, go back to the selection tool, and then just drag it. You can do that too. And then over here is the anchor point, so we can also change this anchor point. So let's just change it in the middle, just to make it a little bit easier. Okay.
I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a
Fire. Sweet. All right, cool. Kind of centered, but we can center it horizontally and vertically. Okay. All right, cool. All right, step number 2, what we want to do is go to our effects and then do track matte key. Okay, now this is the thing that got me confused initially. You don't put it on the text, you put it on the video. Bam. Then you go up here, track matte key. So we changed the matte to video number 2 because we want to mask the video, like this video basically. Okay, press play. Fire. Okay, and then that's as simple as it gets, bro. And then let's say you want to go a little crazy. Now, how I would do this if I was making this for a client or something like that, I would go here, I'll go to cross dissolve, put it on the beginning of the clip, and then take cross dissolve and put it on the end of the clip. Yeah, that's nice. And then towards the end, I will come up here. I will add a keyframe. And then have it go straight through. Okay. Nope. So that happened like really, really quickly. So I probably bring the keyframe up. Woo. Yeah. And then another thing that you could do, this is like, you know, a thing of Premiere. Go to ease in and ease out. And then there's one more thing that I would want to do. That's nice. That looks crazy. That looks crazy. And then the last thing that I would do, so me personally, I have a subscription to Epidemic Sound, but you could go to YouTube and just search this. But I would say Fireplace for sound effects. Yep. Download that. Easy. Stop that sound. All right, so we take this, put it here. And the good thing about this, I don't know if, you know, maybe you don't know, but if you click on this, you can actually preview the sound. Very nice. Put that there. We could cut this maybe here. Take that out. And then that's it, man. I could go all day about this, but probably the last thing that I would do, yeah. Okay, so I would create a keyframe right here. Have it going to the end. And then probably about right there, I create another keyframe and have it going down. Something like that. Okay, then we export. This was less than 10 seconds. That's crazy. And then you could play around with the keyframes or whatever the case, you know, to make it not go away so quickly. Nice. All right, easy peasy, man. Easy peasy. Please let me know if this has been super helpful. I pray that it has been. And we'll see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments if you like Premiere Pro, if you like Final Cut Pro, if you like iMovie, if you edit on your phone. Let me know. We'll see you in the next one.